बोलिए सर.
The RSS cannot absolve themselves that their hands are soiled with the assassination of Mahatma Gandhi. That's a fact written in the bold letters in the history, and nobody can deny it. I think this is the worst kind of crime which this organization or his supporter has done some 7 decades or 8 decades back. I think that's the worst thing. Or 1942, that slogan was not coined by me. जो देशभक्त थे वो जंग में गए, जो गद्दार थे वो संग में गए. I had not written that. That slogan is there very much on record. And so this must have happened. It's a fact that these people were doing the mukhbiri for other patriots.
मुखबिरी.
They were never patriots.
या
प्रणेश, मैं आई रियली एडमायर रवि जी, मेरे हीरो रह चुके हैं ये. उम्र का तकाजा करते हुए इनको बचा लो, इन पे डेफोमेशन हो जाएगा. राहुल गांधी ने भी यही कहा था, RSS was responsible for Gandhi's assassination. He had to apologize in Supreme Court. रवि जी, you also will be dragged to Supreme Court. अभी आपकी उम्र नहीं रही है.
नहीं, उन्होंने ये भी बोल दिया, उसके बाद क्वालिफाई करने के लिए बोल दिया सपोर्टर्स. भाई इस लॉजिक से तो एक मिनट, सज्जन कुमार के लिए कांग्रेस पार्टी को बैन कर देना चाहिए सर. एंटी सीट. आप सोच लीजिए अब किसको क्या बैन करेंगे, सोच के बोलना चाहिए, या एटलीस्ट बोलने के बाद सोच लीजिए. मैं तो आपको 2-3 अटेम्प्ट देता हूं. डॉक्टर पुल्ला राव. यस सर.
I have said it clearly.
डॉक्टर पुल्ला राव. Sir,
there is one aspect here which is very dangerous. It is not a casual thing to have any organization like the RSS. Government service can be part of it. Well, tomorrow when there is a change of government, will you allow such a thing to other NGOs? Will you allow everybody to join? This is very great. I think they did the right thing in the first 10 years in not lifting that ban. It is not a good tendency. It's a very unhealthy tendency.
No, why?
It's a very unhealthy
what is the RSS according to you, Dr. Pulla Rao?
No,
we've spent 30 minutes discussing.
Whatever it is, the government.
No, what is it? What is the whatever it is? No, what you tell me, what is the RSS for you? What does the RSS mean to you?
You have to be impartial. You cannot do this. Nobody has tested it. Otherwise, tomorrow there will be a floodgates of all other kinds of various organizations. When the government changes, they will take advantage of this. It takes away the sanctity of the Indian Constitution, Indian civil service.
Only RSS takes away. So you being a member of the RSS takes away the sanctity of the Indian Constitution. Dr. Ranganathan in his opening remarks said that there are other organizations and people have affiliations with, all sorts of ideologies. That is no bar. Dr. Ranganathan.
No, I mean, I'm astonished by Pulla Rao ji. I really admire his views, but he's way off out here. I'll ask him a simple question. Hindus are the worst of creatures, 98.6. Millions of government servants believe in this. Do you think it is all right? Say it if you have the guts. You muted yourself, I can't do anything.
No, I couldn't hear you. That's what I said. Sorry.
Okay, sorry. Let me repeat this. Hindus, i.e. polytheists, are the worst of creatures, 98.6. Millions of government servants believe in this while doing active service of the government. Do you condemn this or do you find that is all right?
It is very simple. No government servant should join another body. It's very simple.
Dr. Pulla Rao, what are you saying, sir?
It is not possible. I'm Indian sorry they have done this. I don't know why. A few government servants joining the organization. Tomorrow everybody will demand.
Legally, you have government servants joining
somebody in Kashmir
Congress
can demand
party.
The same thing.
You have government servants. What is this? He should know the rules. I'm sorry.
Government servants can't. They cannot
This is
join
no
this
argument.
kind of
Dr.
body.
Pulla Rao, full marks for trying, but this is no argument. At least you surprised some of us. This was new. Usually, it's the same old arguments, but you've come up with something new. So, full marks. We've run out of time on this one. I thank Mr. R.P. Singh for joining us on debate number 1. Viewers, let's quickly